Chief of Binance anticipated Shiba Inu will supplant Bitcoin. What are the possibilities of the Shiba Inu digital money? What are the most recent information about this digital money? We will respond to these inquiries in the present video. Welcome to the Rich Coin channel. Remember to like this video and bind to the feed so as not to miss the arrival of new recordings. The live Shiba Inu cost today is 11 cents USD with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $301 million USD. We update our Shiba to USD cost continuously. Shiba Inu is down 2.47% as of now, while SHIB financial backers are hanging tight for another pinnacle. Resource instability and exchanging volume have diminished throughout the course of recent days. This shows that the combination stage happened before the new development. Generally, a cost cut in a thin reach is viewed as an indication of an ensuing serious leap forward. During this period, a tight exchanging range was framed for the SHIB cost between the help levels of 50 cents and the obstruction of 55 cents. The way that the pair figured out how to break out of the plummeting triangle shows that the downtrend has halted for the occasion. On the off chance that the bulls are completely drawn in, they can push the SHIB coin to an upturn once more. The cost of Shiba Inu has made some extreme memories managing this ongoing bear market, with the cost enduring such a lot of decrease in the beyond a half year. The crypto market is looking progressively inviting as numerous altcoins keep creating more than 30% additions. Any semblance of Doge has seen a few extraordinary runs as of late, mobilizing from a low of 55 cents to a high of 10 cents after the news broke out of Elon Musk assuming control over Twitter. Taking into account he's alluded to as Doge father. This has impacted Doge emphatically, with many hypothesizing on the off chance that Shiba Inu can continue in the strides of Doge. SHIB has attempted to recover its bullish energy lately, notwithstanding the vulnerability that has happened to the crypto space. The cost of SHIB hasn't partaken in a proportion of help in the wake of showing such a lot of solidarity on the week after week out its key help zone of around $0, 0.850 after the cost of SHIB mobilized to a high of $0.0. At the cost has confronted dismissal to break higher to a locale of 7 cents, and the cost has kept on battling to remain above water. Taking into account how extreme the crypto market has been of late, the cost of SHIB dropped to a low of $0.800 after dismissal from the high of 4 cents. The cost of SHIB skipped from that district to a high of 17 cents, where the cost was dismissed into a reach direct in the everyday time period. The cost of SHIB keeps on areas of strength. For looking, the cost barely broke out of its reach. It has ended up for the beyond couple of days. She at present exchanges at $0.1220, simply over its key help shaped at 50 EMA subsequent to framing a reach channel. As the cost develops more fortitude to break out for a meeting, the cost of SHIB needs to hold above 12 cents at the cost to drift higher to a district of 13 cents and perhaps $0.2, which is a key inventory zone for most brokers. Frustratingly, Shiba Inu over attempted and in the long run neglected to gather sufficient speed to push its cost to more significant levels. Specialists accept there are 3 issues that are holding up traffic of SHIB to move even an inch nearer and understanding its designer's dream to flip Dogecoin. The principal issue is that its flowing stockpile remains profoundly thought as over 63% of all suitable SHIB tokens are being held by only 10 wallets, which could be possessed by less than 10 people or all by one individual. Shiba Inu actually is restricted case utilizes as of this time is its most critical use, just like a strategy for trade. Besides, there are just 112 shippers that acknowledge the altcoin as a method of installment. The Resources Organization Improvement Guide is likewise not satisfactory, as there is no characterized night course for where it is going. It's most likely one reason why financial backers are drifting away of the crypto, moving their concentration and assets to resources with very much arranged way that guarantees return on initial capital investment and benefit. Shiba Inu figured out how to at last be on the green across its transient cost graphs as she gets presented to various positive improvements throughout recent days. The cryptographic money responded emphatically to the fresh insight about Elon Musk's forthcoming takeover of virtual entertainment monster Twitter, expanding the cost of SHIB by more than 8% only minutes after the advancement was declared. The image crypto, nonetheless, encountered a slight cost remedy, as per most recent following from CoinGecko. At press time, she was changing hands at $0.1087, It is still up by 10.1% throughout recent days, and by 6.8% for the beyond about 14 days. You've likewise figured out how to cut its multi-day misfortunes to simply 2.2%. The altcoin performed adequately over the most recent few days that it really figured out how to outperform Twitter stock, Twitter in wording 24-hour gains. Before, it has become obvious that Shiba Inu benefited at whatever point the first canine-themed digital currency Dogecoin is having a decent run. Once more, this was demonstrated on October 26th, when the crypto market saw a generally solid flood that pushed Bitcoin and Ethereum above essential cost levels. Doge figured out how to increment by 28.2% throughout the past week, as it is now exchanging at $0.075. With this, the computerized resource siphoned its market capitalization by more than $2 billion. She duplicated this activity as it likewise pushed its general valuation to $6.407 billion among crypto resources, having a place with the May 20 rundown of CoinGecko. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu were two altcoins that counted the most noteworthy increases north of a multi-day time span. In the interim, Dogecoin whales became dynamic following the improvement, including the tech extremely rich person Musk and Twitter. Truth be told, there were 85 exchanges with worth of no less than $100,000 that was recorded after the news broke out. This may be a sign that financial backers are confident that Doge will actually want to copy its noteworthy run a year ago. Then again, SHIB is simply attempting to profit by each sure improvement that could set off cost mobilizes regardless of how little they are. The image coin keeps on managing issues like high stock expansion and absence of utility factors that adversely influence its cost bearing. Its new flood could assist with battling off an approaching destruction, as certain investigators accept that crypto could kick the bucket toward the following year's end. Well, indeed, Elon Musk has let the cat out of the bag and has implied about Shiba Inu coming to the Twitter stage very soon. In his new tweet, Elon Musk shared a pic of the Shiba Inu canine variety wearing a Twitter shirt. Accordingly, this fills the continuous hypothesis that he could before long carry Shiba Inu installments to his recently procured online entertainment stage. This is whenever after the Twitter first arrangement that Elon Musk has freely spoken about his #1 image coin Shiba Inu. The tweet has done what's needed to shoot the Shiba Inu cost by and by. As of press time, Shiba Inu is exchanging 15.68% up at a cost of 13 cents with an $18.3 billion market cap. On a week-after-week diagram, Shiba Inu exchanges at over 125% increases since the meeting toward the end of the week. The social interest in the digital money has spiked impressively as on-chain information supplier sentiment reports. Shiba Inu is as yet in addition to 9% throughout recent hours, in spite of the vast majority of #crypto